Found bed bugs on your mattress? Ultimate Guide. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that nobody wants to deal with: bed bugs on your mattress. Discovering these unwelcome pests can be unsettling and cause sleepless nights. But don't worry, we're here to help. In this video, we'll share essential tips on how to handle bed bugs on your mattress effectively. 1. Identify the signs. The first step is to confirm the presence of bed bugs. Look out for small blood stains, dark spots, fecal matter, or tiny eggs on your mattress. You may also notice an unpleasant sweet odor. If you spot these signs, it's time to take action. 2. Quarantine the mattress. Remove all bedding and encase your mattress in a bed bug-proof cover. This prevents bed bugs from escaping or infesting other areas while you address the issue. 3. Vacuum thoroughly. Use a powerful vacuum cleaner with a brush attachment to vacuum the entire mattress, paying extra attention to seams, crevices, and tufts. Dispose of the vacuum bag immediately in a sealed plastic bag to prevent any potential spread of bed bugs. 4. Steam treatment. Steam cleaning is highly effective in killing bed bugs and their eggs. Use a steamer on high heat and slowly move it over the mattress, ensuring the steam penetrates deep into the fabric. Be cautious not to saturate the mattress. 5. Consult professionals. If the infestation persists, or if you prefer expert assistance, it's best to consult professional pest control services. They have the expertise and specialized treatments to eliminate bed bugs effectively and ensure long-term prevention. Conclusion: there you have it. Essential tips for handling bed bugs on your mattress. Remember to identify the signs, quarantine the mattress, vacuum thoroughly, consider steam treatment, and consult professionals if needed. Dealing with bed bugs can be challenging, but with proper action, you can regain control of your sleeping space.